third part. 41. We're here, boy. Anyways, um, so we're gonna trade until 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So we're gonna trade for 4 hours, but we're going to trade in sections and in videos. So 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes until we reach 1 o'clock. Does that make sense? So yeah. So we wait until the last 5 seconds of the purchase deadline to make a trade. And we sell here for 2. If 2 loses, then we do 4. But 2 is not going to lose because you see the type of movement 2 is getting on with. So this is how the method works. If 2 loses, we do 4. If 4 loses, we do 9. If 9 loses, we do 19. If 19 loses, we do 41. We have 2 indicators, the RSI and the CCI. If they are under their halfway points, we sell. If they're over their halfway points, we buy. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. This is infinite trading method, right? Anybody can trade like this, and the market cannot stop this because this is not how the market works. This is how life works, right? Wow, I like how this go back up and just right there, but yeah. So we trade for 10 minutes and we stop. Right, so 10 minutes from now is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I could have been out 10. That's crazy, fam. Anyways, we buy here for 2. And we wait. Yeah. So I think we should talk about growth as an individual, as a person. And well, if you're watching this trading video, then you're already on the right path. In that, I mean, so 2 lost, we're gonna continue what I'm saying, but 2 lost, so we do 4. 4 gives you back $1.81 profit. So plus your $2, so you're good. Yeah. And so in order to grow, you need to educate your mind first. Your mind is what needs to be educated, right? I mean, if you're watching this trading video, as I said, you're on the right path of educating your mind because this is something that is different from what everybody does. So just be able to stick with it, stick through it. I'll give you a few pointers here and there. If you go against this method and you do anything different, if you don't do $2 and you do, let's say, 10, you're going to lose. So discipline. It's a disciplined method. Right? You have to be disciplined to use this method because I mean you could be winning like this, think that you're winning and then do this and then lose. If you do more, you'll lose, right? So it's good to stick to the trading method, right? So yeah, um, education of the mind is very important because the more you know is the less mistakes you're going to make. Right? The more you know, the more you know, the more you know. And you can know as much as you can if you read and watch as much educated videos as you can, education videos as you can. Right? What word was that? Comment down below, correct me, bro. So yeah, you see that 4-1 here, we made back our $2 plus $1.81, and then we go back down to $2 when we trade, right? And we wait for the trade to finish. That's it. That's literally it. That's all. So yeah, we go back to 2 and we wait. And we do the same thing again, and we do it 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 again. And we'll be trading from so episode 41 to about 50 is going to be one day. So yeah, this is part 41. And part 42 is going to be in 10 minutes too. So we're gonna pump out as much parts as we can today. If we gotta pump out 5 videos today, then that's what we're gonna do. So Right, so yeah, we haven't had. eh, Doesn't look too bad today. It looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's good. That's good. That's nice. So yeah, we go back down to two and we wait. Right. So infinite trading method. This method you can literally make $1. Let's say this is $2 because it's just 10 cents off. $2 every minute. So 2 by 60 is 120. So yeah. Well, that's going down, but that's okay because we do four. Before we start scrolling, set it to digital options. You have to be on digital options, by the way, and the best times to trade is daytime. The absolute daytime. Right, that's the best time to trade. That's when the market is actually moving. If you went here, you would see, hey yo, I thought you would have been moving more than that. Let's check this. It's not moving as how I thought it would be, but it is moving. Anyways, we go to two and we wait. What does this look like on the 5 minutes? Oh, but it is moving, which is important. So both indicators are up, so we buy at the 5 seconds, right? Even if the 5 seconds is wrong, we continue. Strength and energy, guidance and protection. Yeah, so you can do anything you want if you educate yourself on how to do that thing. And you cannot just depend on education, you have to do it because only through knowledge and experience do we really grow. So you need the experience factor to grow. You need experience to grow. So yes, you can have the knowledge, but if you never went out and tried, then you would never have the experience. And XP is very, for the gamers who's watching this video, XP is extremely important. Just as how you upgrade, it doesn't make sense to buy the pay to win skin if you never played the game. Like, you would lose still, right? But if you have experience and you buy the pay to win skin, then it's nothing that could stop you, bro. The only limitation is yourself, really and truly. If you're poor, if you're middle class and you want to get wealthy, you can see what the wealthy do and find ways to do the same thing. If you cannot do the same thing, there are ways to do the same thing. There's always a way. And if you tell yourself that there isn't a way, then you wouldn't find that way. But if you tell yourself and you convince yourself that, hey, sir, look, there is a way, and I will find that way, what you think you're going to do? What do you think you're going to do if you tell yourself there's a way? Of course, you'll find a way, my guy. So, yeah, feed yourself with that positive energy, that positive vibe, that good vibe, right? You'll be surprised at things you're going to be able to do in this world. Believe in yourself. Believe, believe, believe in you, because believing in you is believing in God's God given gift to you. And believing in God, God loves that, bro. God loves that. Believe. Believe, believe, believe. Okay, believe. Alright, nice. So it's another dub. So you see that here we made back everything and more. And you see that, well, the trading method is supposed to, like this. Well, this is meh. It happens, but it doesn't always happen. So based on when you trade, you wouldn't always get those results. So here we buy for two. Oh my god, if we got it under 5 seconds, we would have gotten it down there. But that's good though. It's still gonna go up if it has. So it's gonna come down if it has. So like whatever. It's gonna break out this week, not stopping nothing. 5 second wick isn't stopping anything. Room, rumba, um, my club, as I said. 5 second wick not stopping anything. So yeah. So we wait patiently, 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 one trade at a time, 1 second at a time, 1 minute at a time, and then we trade. So yeah, this will be the last trade of the infinite trading method, part 41. We're about to do part 42 right after this. You can watch it. You can watch it. It's on the channel. It will be uploaded today. So yeah, infinite trading method, the best trading method on the planet, the greatest trading method on the planet. This trading method came from weeks of no pain, no gain, is the saying. You have to lose in order to go. Become a loser. Fall in love with losing. Lose as much times as you can. Lose with the intention of winning. You will win. Only if you lose, though. Right, so, yeah. So, Infinite Trading Method. Like, comment, subscribe. This has been your host, Shamoy God Trader. GG.